Welcome back again to my channel. So today I'm going to show how to draw SNR level, right? So here you can see in this market, if you have to draw SNR level for the future, so how to draw, right? So you have to take this level is a complete SNR level. I'll explain why. Let me explain. Okay, let me draw the level at first. So this is the SNR level. You can use this level. Why? Because from this level here we are seeing a buyer's entry, here also we are seeing a buyer's entry, but after breakout from this level we are seeing a seller's entry, again from here we are seeing a seller's entry, right? So from this level we are seeing a buyer's entry as well as seller's entry. So this is the proper SNR level. So you can use this level for the future when market comes to this level, and if you see some rejection you can use this level, right? So you can see here, you can say here why it didn't work, right? This candle closed exactly at this level with a rejection, right? With the rejection, but though here we are not seeing any reversal, right? Though market breakout. Why? Because if you have to observe the market too, because on the left side we can see a strong momentum, right? Here we can see a strong momentum, so here also we can expect the same momentum at least to this level, right? You can see buyers broke that level very strongly here, strongly broke that level. So again sellers may try to broke this level too, but after breakout we can see market reverse and close at the level, and again this level work, right? Again from here we can see seller's entry. So why here didn't work? Because there is a momentum, that's why here it didn't work. So you have to always avoid momentum, right? Because of this momentum here it didn't work, but you can see here it also worked. It closed exactly at this level. Again you can see a seller's entry, right? So again here you can see there is a no momentum, right? We can see there is a no momentum, there is a no momentum, and we can see a very strong buyers. This type of candles execution, and it closed exactly at the level with a few rejection, right? So you can expect here again a seller's entry. From here you can see again seller's entry, right? So okay, again you can see here it also work as a resistance, right? Here you can see it break out strongly, but after breakout we again seeing a seller's entry, and then it markets come to this level, again we can see a buyer's entry, right? So this is how you can draw the SNR level, right? I'll draw again a SNR level on another pair. Wait a minute. Okay, it's a good time. So now you are trading at this level. So if you have to draw a SNR level, how you can draw a SNR level, right? So in this market you can see, let me draw it first. In this market this level is working as a SNR level, right? Why? Because from here we can see seller's entry, after breakout from here we can see also a buyer's entry too. So we also can use this level for the future too, right? Here you can see there is a very strong momentum, though it closed exactly at the level, though we are seeing a buyer's entry, right? Okay, again here again here market close exactly at this level, right? Again we are seeing a buyer's entry, right? Okay, let me draw. So again you can see market broke that level. Here it didn't work, right? Because it already used. Why it didn't work? Let me explain here also, right? Why here it didn't work? Because here it worked, here it worked. We are seeing in a within a 30 minute it used two time, right? Not within a 30 minute, within a 15 minute this level used for the two times. So you no need to trade for the third time. It may broke that level for the third times, right? So you have to trade at least for the two times, right? At the third time market may break that level. Here also happened this, right? You always have to trade for the two times any level, right? Here you can see it close buyer's entry, again it tried buyer's entry, so again market tried and they successfully break that level. But if this market goes to this level, again come to this level, again after few 30 to 1 hour later, if it come again to this level, then we can expect again a buyer's entry, right? But it tried within a 15 minute, within a very few attempt, right? So you no need to trade in such kind of situation, right? But but after breakout you can see market again close exactly at the level. Again we can see a what seller's entry, right? Here also you can see market close exactly at the level, but there is a no seller's entry, right? We are seeing instead of seller's entry, we are seeing here market close exactly at this level, seller's entry, but here also a reversal sign. Here you can see here reversal sign, here reversal sign. This is a Marubusi candle, sign of reversal at the level, but there are no sellers entry, right? So sellers are, it means sellers are not interested here, right? So buyers will enter. So here you no need to trade to lower option, because this doji candle is not a reversal sign. It will signing that sellers are not interested at the level. It means buyers will enter. That's why here again we can see buyers. But after breakout, you can see market close exactly at the level. After breakout, here again we're seeing a buyers entry, right? Here I also told you that don't trade quick if market tried to break any level quickly, right? Why? Because here it tried, okay, let me explain again. Because here it tried to break but fail, again buyer's entry. Again it tried to break, rejection, against buyer's entry, again it trying. So you no need to trade for the third attempt. That's why again you can see breakout, again sellers enter or buyers enter from that level, right, strongly, and broke that level. Again sellers try to break this level, but again it close exactly at this level, right? Again we can see a buyer's entry, right? So you can see again here also this level is working. So this is how you can draw SNR level properly. But if you have, so when you have to avoid this type of SNR level, if you saw market is in a strong momentum or market is in a strong uptrend, you have to avoid, right? You have to avoid this type of level. Here you can see this is a very strong uptrend. So in that kind of situation, you have to follow the major trend, right? The uptrend. You no need to trade reversal, right? Reversal trade at this type of market. You have to, in this kind of market, you have to place for the upper direction only at the SNR level. Means mean if this is a, okay, suppose don't take it, suppose this is a complete SNR level. If this, so suppose this is a strong SNR level. I don't know about this level, right? Suppose this is a strong SNR level. You don't need to trade here a lower option, even market close exactly at the level, right? Why? Because this is a strong uptrend. So don't take a reversal in this kind of market. Always go with the market, right? So here how to trade at the SNR in this kind of market, wait for the breakout, right? After breakout, if market got support from that level, only you can then trade, right? Here if you observe, market was broke out here and it got support from here. You can see some buyers entry, right? So it's a trade with the market, right? Here again market got support at this level. Again we can see a uptrend, means buyers entry, right? So in this kind of market, no need to trade at the reversal. Go with the moment, right? Market moment. So this is how you can trade at the SNR level. Thank you for watching live. Please like, share and subscribe.